Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch, and for today's video, we will be making Pandan cheesecake bars. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup melted butter, 2 pieces eggs, 2 tablespoon pandan flavor, and 1 1/4 cups granulated white sugar. And for the cream cheese toppings, we need 1/2 cup Swiss Valley cream cheese, 1 piece whole egg, and 1/8 cup granulated white sugar. In your big mixing bowl, just mix your dry ingredients. Mix first, then make a well at the center. Lagay niyo si melted butter, pandan flavor, and whole eggs. Then mix it by hand. Then, get your 8-inch square baking pan lined with aluminum foil. Tapos, hulog mo siya here and then set aside. Then, let's mix the cream cheese toppings. The cream cheese, the sugar, then the egg. Yan, it's done. Lagay natin siya on top. Okay? Then, swirl natin para may design siya. Okay? Then bake this one around 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, it's done already. After na bake, pina-cool down ko, or you can chill this one around 1 hour. Then, let's slice. There you go, our Pandan cheesecake bars. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!